What's going on YouTube, it's Gadgets Boy and welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at a Bluetooth speaker which is also waterproof. Ultimate Ears just announced two new and improved Bluetooth speakers, the BOOM 3 and the MEGABOOM 3. We have the MEGABOOM 3 here. In the box you get the MEGABOOM 3 itself, a quick start guide and a USB charging kit. The MEGABOOM 3 is waterproof at IP67, which is new and updated. It will float on water as well, so this is not going to sink, and it will still play music whilst using it, which is quite cool. The look has been redesigned with stunning two-toned high-performance fabric, similar to what you'd find on fire equipment or some biking equipment and stuff like that. So it's quite durable. They've moved the tab here as well to the side, so it means when you put it on the side, it will stop it from rolling, for example. It's just nicer placed, I feel. The USB port is under a secure waterproofing flap. The big volume controls are still there, and underneath the connector for the PartyUp plate, which is sold separately, so you can just dock it and have it in a position where you can just remove it, place it back at home if you like to do so. Up top is where the magic happens though. There's a new magic button which allows you to play, pause and skip tracks directly on the speakers without having to fumble around with your phone. So you can leave your phone wherever you want and still be able to control your music with the speaker. When paired up with Ultimate Ears mobile app, you'll be able to have access to Apple's music playlist and Deezer Premium on Android. Additional music will be added on later on, so we'll look forward to that because I'm a Spotify user, so I'd love to see Spotify being added to this lineup here. With a magic button, you'll be able to have access to your playlist that you've already set up, and you can rearrange it using the app as well, which means when you press it, you can use it to skip to another playlist, or by triple tapping, for example, start your playlist and so on like that. PartyUp feature is still available, meaning if you have any previous Boom or MEGABOOM speaker, you'll be able to connect them together to create bigger sound, louder sound as well. And this redesign app that they've introduced, you'll be able to customize your equalizer, and remote on and off controls are there as well. For sound quality, sounds balanced. Its cylindrical tubular shape allows for 360-degree sound as well, which is pretty cool. So if you place it in the center of the room, you'll be able to use it and enjoy that feature there. You get deeper bass and improved clarity over the original MEGABOOM as well. There's no distortion and it works really well with all kind of music genre. I tend to listen to hip hop and R&B a lot, so again, it works really well for my music taste. It's durable, stylish and suitable for both at home use or outdoors as well. So you can take it to the beach, you can take it on a boat, whatever you like. The BOOM 3 and the MEGABOOM 3 will be available in 4 colors, 4 duotone colors. So you get night, which is black, sunset, which is the red one we've got here, you've got lagoon blue, and ultraviolet, which is purpley. There's other like special editions as well that's available from Apple, but again, I'll leave information on that in the description area alongside pricing. In the meantime, do let me know if this is your first time on the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you know every time there's a video uploaded on this channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.